Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to send videos from your PC to your phone. So yeah, let's get started right away. So there is a few methods I'm going to show you guys right now. And the first one is via Gmail, the second one is Drive, Mega, and MediaFire. The first one is Gmail, and yeah, I think Gmail is one of the easiest ones. And yeah, you just want to click on compose, and you just want to, where it says send to, you literally want to send it to your own email address. So this is just a random account of mine, so I'm going to send it to that email address right there. And once you've done that, you just want to go to the paperclip icon right here, and you want to select a file. So for Gmail, the file type is under 20 or 25 megabytes. So I'm gonna choose this one because this is only 10 megabytes. And yeah, as you can see, it has now been uploaded right now. It says 10 megabytes, and you can just click on send. Click on OK, and as you can see, you have now sent it to yourself, and you can open this email up on your phone and just click on download right here. And yeah, this is, so Gmail is probably like the best method for smaller file types, but if you want to send bigger file types for like 200 MB or 50 MB or stuff like that, we are going to head over to either Drive, Mega, or MediaFire. I like Drive the most, so yeah, it's a personal preference, I guess. So we're going to show you guys how to do it right now. So you can either click on new or just drag and drop a video on there. For example, this one, this file, we're going to drag and drop it on here, and it says uploading. So yeah, we're going to yeah, we have uploaded it now, and it is right here. It still says we're processing in this video, but basically what you want to do is you can either for example this one, because the other one is processing, so I'm going to show you guys with this one. If you right click on it, then click on share, you can share it with yourself, or with a link with even other people. Or what you want to do is you want to download the Drive app on your phone and just log into your account and then save the video from there. So yeah, that is Drive. And for Mega and MediaFire, it's actually basically the same. You want to click on this file upload right here, and then just select a file. For example, this one right here, select a file. This will upload it. And again, it's best to download the Mega app, so you can just go to your app on your phone and just download it from there. But you can also share a link, just like, yeah, it's basically the same as Drive. Just click on copy and then send the link over to your phone via anything. So that's Mega. And for MediaFire, it is the same as well. So you want to click on upload files now, drag and drop a file, it says uploading, and again you can download the MediaFire app to download your videos from there, or yeah, get the link as well and download it via the link. So that's basically all you have to know. These are 4 methods you could use to send videos to your own phone. And yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.